Hi, my name is Kim Schmidt. I have a few jobs. I do work for Microsoft, and I do have to say a caveat here that although I work for them, this user group, what it represents, what I say doesn't necessarily reflect that of Microsoft Corporation. So I work for Microsoft part-time. I also work for Harbor Objects, which is a Microsoft partner company. They do business intelligence and software development. And I run 2 user groups. I also have a startup called UX Synergy.
How do you think that this evening went with Paul Sheriff?
Well, Paul, like I said, he just talks. There's no ums. He's a professional through and through, and the things that he taught us today are things that everybody needs to know. There's shortcuts, save everybody a lot of time, but it might be right in front of you, but you don't see it because you're too busy trying to get the job done. So I think he gave us a lot of really good tips and tricks, and the fact that the cross-platform development, code once and use it on multiple platforms, that's really a today topic. So it really belongs in VNext because we're all about current and emerging technologies, and going forward you have to develop on multiple platforms.
Let's maybe back up a bit. What was the purpose of tonight?
The purpose of tonight, the purpose of VNext, I should probably say,
Right, absolutely.
is looking at the trends in technology. You used to be able to take a course at a community college, say, and it could last you 5 years in the workforce before you'd have to take another course. Nowadays, things are progressing so rapidly that if you take a class at a community college, it might last you a year. And so it's really not helping the developers get jobs. And so we developed this group based in Seattle. The parent group is VNext.org, and they supply all the legal things in place, the starter kits, the logos, and then we have about 18 or 19 sub-chapters worldwide so far. We began this in October of 2011, so we've grown quite rapidly. It's really a void that needed to be filled. With the death of Silverlight, that's in quotes, a lot of the developer communities were confused, up in arms, upset. You know, what is this? You know, all these changes. I spent all these years studying all of this, and now you're changing everything on me. And so this is addressing that. With Windows 8, it's a whole new paradigm shift. You have to know so much. And everything is going cross-platform from, you know, all the devices that Paul talked about tonight. Your web, your desktop, mobile. It's going to TV. It's going in your cars. It's following you in retail stores. These are the things we need to know. And there really isn't a resource out there that is that ahead of what's coming and preparing developers for what is coming. And that's what we are filling. I just want to say before I end, thank you so much to Crescent Solutions. You just have exceeded my wildest expectations. Thank you.